Yo, some mail came today. Look at this first. Thanks for your purchase. Hope your little one loves this as much as mine did. Enjoy. Thank you. Bold of you to assume I am a parent. Anyway, and it comes with I'm assuming it's a woman judging by the pink text and face and the wording. All right, so let's see what we got here. Oh, you got give your child Seizure Thomas. Oh, my favorite. We have this squishy coupling I got for Mike, because I'm thinking I'm making him engine driven, but I wanted this because I didn't like the coupling Molly had, because I felt like it was too long, and I used a normal one, it was too short, so this one's just right. And then we have what Will told me is rare, but judging by the eBay listings, I don't think it is. Let's see what we got here. Bubble wrap. Oh, we got M-Truck. Yo. Yeah, I remember when M-Truck was in the series, right? Me neither. Anyway, I'll put them right there. Sorry, my dad wanted to know if I wanted chicken tenders. Anyway, so, just... And then we have, what I was really waiting for. Can any of you guess what the fuck does this say? Thank you with a heart on it. Okay. I can confirm this is not a slab of meat or bread. It is, in fact... Oh, yeah. Oh, can you guess who it is now? I can't breathe. I almost broke my finger. I can breathe, Jesus Christ. Really gotta... Probably shouldn't be trying to undo it like this. I'm sure there's like a... Oh. There's this. Trying to open it on camera. Oh. Gotta get him out of here, guys. Just tipped over M-Truck and Seizure Thomas. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's all I got. And I think I actually got scammed here, because the listing said Gordon with Express Coach, and you know, I'm searching around here. I don't see no Express Coach, so